So the navigation of our application is pretty much going well at this point because we're able to have this part, at least, of our whole app done, right? So we have the splash screen, we have that wonderful animation, and then once the splash screen is done playing, we go to our login or create account screens. And we saw that we could also reuse our composables because we're talking about text fields and so forth. So we created something clever here to where we can toggle to see whether the user is going to be logging in or creating an account. Okay, so this is really good to know because you can use this strategy in your own applications. In fact, I recommend you do so to foster the reusability of composable functions. Okay, so we've done this first part. There's still more to do, but at least we should be happy that we have that infrastructure set up for us. The next thing we need to do, of course, you would think it would be to go straight and look at the home screen, but instead we are now going to implement a few things. First of all, we're going to create accounts using, of course, Firebase and also login. So we're going to log in users if we have them and create account, I should say, those same users. So this is what we're going to be doing next using Firebase auth.